Hello friends, welcome to Learn Excel. Today we are going to continue VLOOKUP Part 3. If you don't watch previous two parts, then I would like to request you for better understanding of this function, watch the previous two parts and then continue with this video. If you like the video, then like it, share it and subscribe the channel. Now let us continue this video of VLOOKUP Part 3. In the previous videos, we enter the values manually. Now let us create a list of value. Read this value from this cell. Now here we don't want to enter the manually, therefore let us create a list. For creating list, click on data. Click on data validation. Again data validation. In this setting tab, click on list, click in source and now select the range of cell. Select the range of which you want to create a list. We want to create a list of employee, therefore here we select the range of employee ID. Click on OK. Now here we have a list. Now simply you can click on employee ID and it will search the respective values. Like this, with the help of list function you can very easily search the value. Here we already put the formula of VLOOKUP and column function. Okay. Create the different type of list. For better understanding of this function, you have to practice using different data and create a list using different data, and from this list you can easily select the value for searching instead of enter it manually like this. Okay, thank you for watching the video.